Okay, y'all, here are some items that I was able to snag from Smith's grocery store. Y'all, I showed out on the deals and I did the transaction separate. So I knew what was getting taken off and everything. Guess it's gonna be a real short video, but I did want to share with y'all some of the deals I did at Smith's. So to all my Smith's, Kroger shoppers, our sister store shoppers, this video is for you. And if you don't shop at Smith's, you don't have to watch it because it's the only deals I'm gonna be discussing is from Smith's. Okay, we are gonna start off with the Finish, y'all. They are marking down a lot of cleaning products and laundry detergent, so I was able to get this on clearance for $6.41. All three of them was $6.41, and I had a $3 off coupon on those. And the coupon, you can use it up to 5 times. So the three of these, if without the coupon, would have been $19.23. But with the coupon taking $3 off on each one, I paid $10.23. And y'all know how expensive these Finish dishwashing tabs are. Plus, it's 38 of them in there. So yes, $10.23 that I paid for these Finish. Then we are gonna talk about this Mr. Clean. It was on clearance as well, and I want y'all to look at these items because they could be on clearance at your store. This was $3.79, and there is a $2 digital in the Smith's app, making that $1.79. And unfortunately, that coupon you can only use it once, so that's why I didn't get three of those. But okay, now off to the Arm& and Hammer. It was on clearance for $9.19. We have $1 off in the Smith's app, making it $8.19. Then you want to scan your receipt in Ibotta and get your $4 back, making this Arm& and Hammer with 44 packs in there for $4.19. Yes, y'all. I think I showed out, but I am saving the best for last. So hold on, we getting there. Okay, next transaction was on the Axe. We have a $7 off digital coupon in the Smiths app. They do have the Axe deodorants on sale for $4.99. So two of them is $9.98, and with that $7 coming off, it will make the $2.98 or $1.49 each. You cannot beat that for some deodorant. Then on the gold bond, it was on clearance as well for $6.89. We have a $2 digital in the Smiths app, making it $4.89. And that's not bad because usually this in Walgreens is, if it's not $13, it's almost $13. So for me to get this lotion for $4.89, that was a steal. Okay, y'all. Now let's get into my most favorite transaction of the day, and it is on this Gillette deodorant. It was on clearance for $3.03, and I had a coupon in the Smiths app. I think it's buy three and save $5. And then the other coupon is $5 off of three. So $10 came off of these three deodorants, y'all, making them have to pay me 57 cents. And I know 57 cents ain't a lot, but it feels good to actually get something free once in a while. So basically these was 303, and the total was $9.09 with tax, $9.43. And when that $10 came off, it was negative 57 cents, and the machine paid me, and here is the receipt where I got the star by. See, it says 57 cents with the minus symbol. That means they paid me 57 cents to buy these three deodorants. So yeah, y'all, check out Smith's. Do not sleep on Smith's because they do have some good couponing deals as well. We just gotta put these clearance items with these coupons and make it do what it do. But that is the end of this video. It was a quickie, but I just had to show y'all the items I had got. So like, comment, share, subscribe. Turn on your post notifications because no telling what type of deals I will be popping out with next. And with that being said, I will see y'all in the next video. I'm out, y'all. Peace.